Step 1. After the package is removed, check the accessories. Is it all there? Step 2. Put the countertop on and secure the screw. With one screw in place, remove the toughened glass. Find the rest of the screw holes. All the corresponding holes are screwed, and then put toughened glass back in its place. Step there. Water pipe. The corresponding plug into the water inlet, water outlet. Tighten both throat bands. After the pipe is secured, a bucket of pure or distilled water is into a bucket. Add water to this position. Step 4. When you fill it up, we put the water machine power cord to a 5-core pilot plug in the mainframe. Then we take the foot switch out. Locate the corresponding foot switch position. Stick it in. Fix it in place. Part 5. Power up. Take out the power cord, and then I'm gonna insert this 3-core. Insert it into the corresponding hole on the main machine. After the host power cord is fixed, we connect the 2 power lines to the leakage switch. Put the electricity on after you finish the connection. Turn on the main power supply of the mainframe when the water machine is running. After confirming that the water machine is running, then we're going to add pure water to this position. Part 6. After the water machine runs normally, pull the light path out. Pull the red light directly to the center of the mobile table. Put the laser head loose. And then swing to the center. And fix the laser head. After fixing the laser head, fix the light path. There are beads on both sides. After fixing the light path in part 7, press the starting power down. Wait until the screen lights up. Click on the boot to confirm the boot. Wait for 1 minute while charging. After charging is completed, the standby state will be prompted here. Part 8. Take out our toolbox. Take out the bearing thimble childlike innocence 3-piece set. Put it in the portable table. Put the thimble in it. Part 9. Installation of display screen. Hang up the monitor first. Install the CCD again. Connector position to the right, corresponding to the left and right positions. Connect the corresponding interface signal line and 12-volt power supply line according to the port T. Then connect the 12-volt power supply. The display screen will light up after the connection. The display screen is fixed, and we turn on the lights. After adjusting the brightness, we will find that the display screen is fuzzy. We need to adjust the position at the back, the focal length at the bottom, and the brightness and sharpness at the top, until our display screen is clear. After the display screen is clear, adjust the laser head focus first. Focus from this position. Step on it and jump until you find the best firepower. Loud sound is the best position for firepower. After the focal length is adjusted, we take a piece of material and step on a spot. Now we are ready to move the CCD. Move the cross to the center of the solder joint. Secure from the edge of the laser head using a tool wrench. The installation of the whole machine is completed.